Good morning, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, August 15th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. We have an options expiration today. We also have a disconnect early on here between ES and the NQ. ES and righty right now are trading same course. Now, it's different because ES has a new overnight all-time high. Righty, obviously nowhere near their all-time high. But in a two-day balance, attempting to potentially gap up. ES in a two-day balance, potentially trying to gap up. Now remember, yesterday's high is not your balance high, okay? It's the 13th. If we're to take that out, you go from bull balance back to bull, okay? Right now, their all-time high is in the overnight at 65.0875. NQ quite different. They've been playing. Look at ES's overnight low, right? Just basically M's low. Look at NQ, overnight low close to yesterday's low. Yesterday's low is their balance low. They've been playing it half back now. So definitely a disconnect between the two, okay? We'll see how that plays out once regular trade hours start. Right now where NQ is, there's just no play here. In balance, in value, no direction at all until we start painting our picture. ES we'll see when the market opens at 9:30. Are we still at this level? They had a very, very small price probe yesterday, so I didn't use C's high. But again, even if they fill the gap, it's not a big deal, but you don't want acceptance because you know the history, right? A lot of times once you get into M's range, you'll trade the whole thing. If you trade the whole thing, what's the danger? You start getting into yesterday's value, and then the 80-20 rule would come into play to the downside yesterday in ES, the way it came into play on the upside in both ES and in NQ. No video. I'm leaving early today, around 2 o'clock, so there'll be no recap. Right now, though, coming into today, the monthly in ES and NQs are up. Righty is in balance, but they have a potential outside month up or down. The weeklies are up for all three of us. Inside weeks up have paid handsomely this week. And the daily coming into today is balanced, two-day balance for all three. And then chart-wise, so here, after 8 days of one time framing up, we came into a two-day balance. Right now, ES looks like they might want to attempt to come out of that two-day balance to the upside, whereas triple Qs and NQ are still firmly inside of it. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. Have a great weekend, and we'll speak prior to the opening on Monday.